On Tuesday, two motorcyclists escaped from a deadly accident in Hubli when a bridge barrier collapsed. Luckily, there were no casualties and the video has gone viral on social media. This incident took place on Gadag-Hubbali highway at the railway underbridge on Gadag Road. To prevent vehicles taller than a specific height from passing through, a crossbar, also known as a height barrier, was put in place. The crossbar tilted to the side and collapsed to the ground. As per statement by Railways, bridge number 253 has a vertical clearance of 4.5 meters on the Gadag end. Height barrier installed has a vertical clearance of 4.2 meters to protect the railway bridge number 253, and it was put together during doubling works in 2021 and 2022. The height barrier weakened when heavy vehicles taller than 4.2 meters tried to pass through the underbridge on 29th May 2023 and 7th June 2023, which led to the height barrier bending on the right side, and the structure further weakened after the incident on 27 June. Reports suggest that the vehicle vibrations and heavy and taller vehicles passing by led to the recent collapse. Structure has been completely removed and new height barriers will be provided.